One of the things that's unique about Boston College is that we have a faculty advising system. Students come in as what we call pre-major students, and they get an advisor for before they declare a major. And then when they officially declare a major, then they will get an advisor specifically in that department or program. Here we try to look at the entirety of the student. We look at them holistically, and we find that faculty are here to do research, they're here to teach, but we also want faculty to develop relationships with students. And one of the ways in which to build a relationship with undergraduates is through advising. So advising is not just about picking classes and sort of checking off a course grid. We want to think about who our students will become. That's very important to us. We don't see your degree as a sort of a certificate that equals a job. Yes, we hope that all of our students will be employed or go on to graduate school and have meaningful lives and careers, but we care very much about who our students become and how they develop, and we hope that advising helps students through this process of discernment.